Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Williamsfield leg or the Highway 2000 project. This is a highway that runs from Maypen to Williamsfield and it's under construction. It's about 65% complete. So we're just taking a quick drive on the road to see how far they've reached with the progress. Now you can see this section of the road is finished. Very nice road, 4-lane highway, 2 on each side. I know they're still working on the bridges, or some of the bridges, but this is the road. This is a highway that's going to run from Maypen to Williamsfield in Manchester. It's actually going to be connected to the PJ Patterson Highway, which runs from Kingston to Maypen. So at the end of the day, you can drive from Kingston to Williamsfield in Manchester in 40 minutes on this road. It's very nicely done. It's an excellent project, well needed. You can see the road is still under construction, so a lot of heavy equipment is using it. So I just wanted to show you guys how far they've reached. Okay, straight ahead, that's the Rio Mino Bridge, and that is still under construction, but that bridge is where the highway would join the PJ Patterson Highway. Alright, there are a lot of trucks driving on this highway, so we're going to leave and not interfere with operations that's going on. But straight ahead, that's the construction of the Rio Mino Bridge, and that bridge is going to be the widest bridge in Jamaica when it's finished. It's going to be 4 lanes. And this is Glenmuir Road, which will take you back into Maypen, so you can see how close this highway is. Well, there will be an exit to Maypen for sure. Glenmuir Road will take us back into Maypen. This is the Glenmuir High School. It's one of the top schools in Jamaica. It's also the #1 school in Maypen. We're going to go back out onto the main road. Alright, so this is the Maypen bypass. As you can see, this bridge is 2 lanes, so the new bridge that's being built to enter the highway is 4 lanes. But it's going to be the widest bridge in Jamaica when it's finished. Yeah, this roundabout now, if we keep left, we go back, stay on the Maypen bypass. If we go up and then continue going around, the next left will take us on to the PJ Patterson Highway. But we're staying on the Maypen bypass.